Alright, welcome back everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. You can kind of tell as the way the sun angle is, and possibly where I'm at. It's early in the morning, and I have an idea because one of my subscribers said something about my spinner game being a lie. I don't know if he was joking. You can comment below if you see this. If you were joking, comment below. If you're serious, I don't lose spinners nearly as much as anybody else does, but that's because I've been fishing rivers my whole entire life. That's a long time. So, I have an idea, and I'm going to challenge myself to like a 1 or 2 hour window here of nothing but spinners for some river smallmouth and bass. Possibly some northern pike, unfortunately, but that comes with the territory. So, let's get to it. Alright, like I said in the intro, spinners and a box full of spinners. There's all different kinds of spinners. So you have like willow spoons, you have little tadpole style spins, regular inline spinners, bigger ones, and minnow style ones, just beetle spin attachments, spinners. I'm going to try and catch as many fish as I can in like 2 hours on just spinners. Starting now. Fish, smallmouth. Good smallmouth. He literally just spit a crayfish at me. Come here. Alright, stop jumping. Nice River Smallmouth. Nice River Smallmouth. I'm gonna get the release on this guy. Let me see. He's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. He's 15 inches. Alright. So that's one on a spinner. That was my Meps Egla, that number 2 red and white. I'll just show it to you guys. I list all of this stuff in the description for you guys to go pick up yourself, but I'm debating on switching spinners, or if I should keep throwing that one and see how many I can get on that one. The whole thing is this is a challenge to only use spinners and see what I can get. So I'm debating. I think I'm going to change it just to try something different, but it's another spinner, so let's do that. Okay, so that was the white and red Meps. This is going to be JB Lure's tadpole spin. That one. He's just a little guy, but he'll grow up to be like the other one someday. So tadpole spin works. See how many we can get on that real quick here. I think I'm going to change one more bait. But proof is in the pudding. Spinners work when you're fishing current. There's another one. I think they like hiding in that shadow. Yep. A little bigger. Still a smallmouth. And a spinner. Okay. I think that's a Northern Pike. Yep, and it's not a little one. So they like a 26. Come here. Skinny little guy. Where did you guys come from? You come all the way up from that road?
Yeah.
Holy crap, that's a long up paddle. Really, that's it?
Yeah.
I've gone down this a million times. I don't think I've ever come up. Usually I put in up there by the neighborhood or whatever, and then you just park your truck or whatever, your pickup downstream.
Well, disturbing your fishing, huh?
Huh? You can go up through this way.
You catching anything?
Yeah. I just let go of like a 30-inch Northern.
Oh, wow. You can go up that way.
Huh?
Is it deep enough to go up that way?
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you fish it?
Doing really good.
Where'd you catch it? Until we got here.
I just let go of like a 30-inch Northern.
Did you catch one?
Yeah, I just let it go.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
A 30-inch?
Yeah.
Is that a keeper?
It would have been, but I don't know.
Did you give me your family? Hold on,
Are you guys trying to go up the river?
No, this is our destination.
Oh, to the lake?
Yeah.
I think it's easier to get up over there. Well, that concludes my my 2-hour, well, kind of got cut short there because of the kayakers. I'm gonna just call it there with the spinners, because fish won't actively chase if a swarm of kayaks show up. I'm sure I can get something to bite, but it's gonna take a lot longer than I want to take. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I wanted to prove a point, and it was simple. I caught a bunch of I caught some little guys. I caught a big one, one big smallmouth, and then one big northern pike. Well, it was skinny as heck, but I think that was almost a 30, which is disturbing. But hopefully he finds some more food pretty soon. But like I said, the point was to just try to fish some spinners and see if I can get fish on those. I did. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, can you please just remember to